One question I always get when I'm making chicken wings or chicken drumsticks like these out on the grill is, how do you get the skin crispy? Well, there's lots of ways to get the skin crispy, but there's also a way you don't have to worry about it, and that's by removing the skin altogether. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to get rid of the skin on these drumsticks. Sometimes you can just pull it straight off like that. And if you want, you can trim it up more. You can do whatever you want. You can pull the tendon out. I'm not going to do that. This is going to be simple skinless drumsticks out on the Weber kettle. So I just want to get all of my skin off of here. Now you may be asking, doesn't the skin help protect the meat and keep it moist? It can. But have you ever had skinless chicken thighs? I have a lot. This is dark meat. It is going to have a lot of moisture and flavor in it built in. Now don't get me wrong, I love a good crispy skin on chicken wings or chicken legs, but I actually aim for non-rubbery. You can get crispy, but it's much easier just to get it so it's not rubbery so you can bite through easily. But today we're not going to worry about that at all. Actually, not today, tomorrow. I'm prepping these the day ahead. Now, you don't have to do that. You can prep them the day of, no problem. I would just give them a couple hours in the rub that you choose, and I'll show you the rub I'm going to use, in the refrigerator just to sort of let that flavor set, and then you can head out to the grill. Now if any of that skin gets a little bit tricky to pull off, use a paper towel. Gives you a lot more grip. Now tomorrow, after these smoke up on the Weber kettle, I'm going to be using some applewood. We're going to be saucing them near the end of our cook, give them that nice kind of traditional barbecue drumstick flavor. Now the rub I'm using is this West Coast Barbecue Company Tailgate Blend. I just want to get a good coating on all of these. Roll them around. You could do it in a bowl if you want. It's just easier for me to film with a tray. You don't have to peer down into a bowl with the cameras. Now like I said, this is a lot of no fuss here. You could go in, you could trim these up more, do all kinds of things, but I really enjoy just being able to simplify things. It's going to taste great. It's looking good to me. Now what I want to do is get this on a rack so these are not sitting in any juices they sweat out. I'm just going to arrange them on here. If they touch a little bit, that's okay. It's not going to hurt anything. Are we going to fit everybody? I think we are if we play a little bit of Tetris here. So these are going in the refrigerator just like this, uncovered. And tomorrow, I'll see you out at the Weber kettle. It's a warm day today. The kettle is fired up. Now, I'm not really going for any specific temp. I have about maybe a 3/4 load of briquettes in the vortex. I'm not going for super crispy skin because there's no skin on this, so it's probably going to be somewhere around the 300 to 350 range for this. That's a guess right now because the thermometer on the kettle at this point is offset. So let's go ahead and get our chicken legs on. I'm just going to kind of offset them a little bit, slightly angled. We should have plenty of room for everybody. And I think I mentioned yesterday that we're going to be putting some applewood on here. We'll get that on in a minute. Got this going the wrong way. Get our applewood in here. I'm going to throw a couple chunks in. All right, we're going to get our lid on and we're going to come back in somewhere between 30 and 45 minutes and sauce these to get them back on there. See you back here in a bit. All right, we've been going for just about 45 minutes now. I want to go ahead and check, and I want to check the internal temp here. Now, remember, this is dark meat. These are legs. 175 and above is great for these. I don't want to sauce them too early. Like if we're in the 120 to 130 range, that's good for me, and I'll sauce them then, but we're probably not quite there yet. But let's check. Smelling great. Do a quick little check here and see. That's showing 130 on that one. Let's see over here. 129, about 45 minutes in, we are ready to sauce these. So this is the barbecue sauce that I'm going to be using. It's from Somerset Farms. It's just at a farm stand near Los Olivos that I like to go to. The way I like to do this is pick up a chicken leg. I have the sauce here in a cup. And I like to dip it in there, spin it around, gets a good coating on it. Got that wood firing up there. Now you might wonder, why am I not turning them over? Well, I'm not looking for grill marks here, so the side that has the grill marks can keep them. Let's give a little brush for the tops here. All right, we're gonna get the lid on. We'll come back in about 20, 25 minutes, give it a check, see if we're at or above that 175. See you back here in a little bit. All right, we've been going about another 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and check our chicken legs. Those look really good. That's showing 172 on that one. And they're totally safe to eat. Yeah, about 170. I think we got about probably another 10 minutes to go. We'll come back in about 10 minutes, give it another check. All right, we've been going another 10 minutes. Let's check our temp. I'm pretty sure we're going to be right there where we want to be. Let's see. I'm going to get one over here. Well, yeah, that one's showing 190, which is fine. These can go high. Let's check this one right here again. That's showing 179. Yeah, we're ready. Let's go ahead and get these off of here. All right, my chicken legs have been resting for about 5 minutes on this pretty warm day, 95 degrees, kind of humid. But I gotta tell you, this smells so good. Standing out here by the grill, I'm ready to dive in. It is still nice and toasty. Let's see. I don't know if you can see how juicy that is in there. When you don't have the skin on the chicken legs and you have the rub right on the meat sitting in overnight, there is intense flavor in this all the way through the meat. And that sauce on the outside, I love that sauce, but you can pick your own rub, your own sauce for this. Don't use any rub, maybe a little salt and pepper. It's just a great way to make chicken legs and not have to worry about the skin.